So our crew out here in San Juan Capistrano is finally installing some helical piles. As you may notice, we're in the courtyard in the backyard, and the team is on their 4th vertical helical pile here. They're driving these things to somewhere between 28 and 35 feet beneath the soil surface in order to reach competent load-bearing soils. So this is the 4th one here. They have 6 total in this courtyard. The yard was completely concrete. The crew has obviously demoed all the concrete, started their grade beam excavations, and they're using the soils from that grade beam to backfill the pool that they recently demoed. So let's make our way over there. I don't remember how deep this pool was. I think it was about 8 to 10 feet in the deepest section. But the crew's slowly backfilling it with all the soils that they're pulling up from the excavated areas where we're putting in the piers or the piles. So this area over here on the side yard was a nice long putting green, and unfortunately we had to pull that out and dig this area where there's going to be a grade beam installed. And if you make your way down here, you can actually notice we've already installed quite a few of these sacrificial jacks. So these are steel jacks with concrete bases, and we call them sacrificial because they're going to be sacrificed in this process. So this side of the house is actually not receiving any helical piles. So the next step over here is they're going to be building out rebar cages and then encasing everything here in a concrete grade beam. So those sacrificial jacks will be encased in concrete, and then this area of the home will never settle or sink again, regardless of what happens with these crazy expansive clay soils that are underneath this home. They notice this big old crack in this party line wall. Actually, I don't think it's a retaining wall, maybe retaining a few feet actually. But if you notice, there's a big crack and it's way larger on the top than it is at the bottom. We've also got some stair stepping, and this is a telltale sign that there's some lateral movement going on here. And this retaining wall is moving down that hillside or that slope, which is definitely not something you want to be in.